Hi everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to Washington, D.C.
Wow, my first time.
Yep. I've been here so long ago I can't even remember what I did, but I came here for work. That's all I remember, but I don't remember anything other than that. And I have taken the train we're going to be taking right now out to Arlington Cemetery. So I have done that, but I went out to a guy's house for dinner. So that's about all I remember. So long ago. It was at least 40 or 35 years ago. Yeah. We are at the Arlington Cemetery entrance here. If you want to take a guided tour, here's the prices for that. Otherwise, if you want to do a walking tour, then they do have a walking tour. So we're going to do the walking tour. It is 600 acres, and we're headed down to the changing of the guards. And it is sprinkling a little bit today, or drizzling. But hey, it's a nice day, and nice and cool. It's only 69 degrees, I think it said was the high. So perfect temperatures for walking around the area.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? I am Sentinel Rad of the 3rd Infantry Regiment, United States Army. Guard of Honor, Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. The ceremony that you are about to witness is the changing of the guard. In keeping with the dignity of this ceremony, it is requested that everyone remain silent and standing. Thank you.
Since 1948, the tomb of the unknown soldier has been guarded 24/7 by the 3rd U.S. Infantry Regiment, the Old Guard. This is the memorial for John F. Kennedy and his wife, the Eternal Flame. An interesting fact also is that there are only 2 presidents that are buried at this cemetery, William Howard Taft in 1930 and President John F. Kennedy in 1963. This is still an active cemetery today with over 6,000 individuals being buried per year here, and continuing. They're continually expanding it. So anyway, it's been a pretty interesting little walk around and see the different things that are here. It's definitely sombering to see all these individuals that gave up their life to give us freedom. And it's nice that we don't forget it. So we are at the National Archives, and that is where the Bill of Rights, the Declaration of Independence, and a few other things. So we're going to check these out and see what they look like in person.
Very beautiful.
So here it is, Declaration of Independence, right here in front of us. Constitution of the United States of America. And this is the Bill of Rights. It's kind of dark in here, so it's hard to really read anything. You can't use flash photography, but you can photograph or take pictures of it. These are the murals that are above the documents. So this area that we're in right now is the rotunda, and you can't use flash photography, but you are allowed to take pictures or video of anything.
It's light for me anyway.
Yeah, but it's kind of dark in here, so it's interesting. So it's very difficult to read anything.
That was the point.
I know, but it's very.
Because they know people are going to take pictures anyway.
Yeah, it's a very humble place to be.
Yeah.
This is where it all started, as far as the documents are concerned.
I just think that, the pictures up there in their fancy clothes, and it's like, wow, this really happened.
Yep, this is where it all started, so that's pretty cool.
Yep.
This is the Lincoln Memorial. And once you know, the museum is being rebuilt right now. The whole area is being redone. Looking out to the George Washington Monument. We got the full moon up to the right there, and the reflecting pools, and the U.S. Capitol building in the background there. What a pretty view and a pretty evening. The best time to see this is at night when all the lights come on. In this temple, as in the hearts of the people for whom he saved the Union, the memory of Abraham Lincoln is enshrined forever. For those of you that are not here, this view will give you a little bit more idea of how large this monument is. This is a pretty impressive monument of Thomas Jefferson. And if you look where he's watching, they say that he's watching over the White House. You can see the White House off there in the distance. Franklin D. Roosevelt, one of the great presidents that set aside land, started establishing the whole idea of expanding green space, making things available for the future. So this is the Mountain of Despair. Out of the Mountain of Despair, a stone of hope. Martin Luther King. We have now moved on to the Museum of Natural History.
Yay!
So,
My favorite.
her favorite.
Yes.
Remember, we like the outdoors, so we're gonna check it out.
Okay, let's go.
We found some more big rocks. Look at that. What a display that is. We're starting off with the bald eagle on display here. And out of all the things that you can see at the Natural History Museum is the Hope Diamond. So this is the Hope Diamond, 45.52 carats. Came from India, and it's the world's most famous gem, renowned for its flawless clarity, rare deep blue color, and eventful history. It is surrounded by 16 white diamonds and suspended from a platinum chain bearing 46 more diamonds.
I see you struggle like butterflies in water, can't keep moving forward. I see your shoulders weighted down by armor. You don't need that protection. I will walk on glass, I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, wish that I could take away your pain like sunbeams in the rain. Oh, we're family. Wherever you go, I'll follow. Whatever you do, I'll handle. I will walk on glass. I will run 10,000 miles and more. I will give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I will run through fire. I will carry you through the heat. I will do it all again. If you needed me to, I'll do it all over again. I'll do it all over again. I will run through fire. I will carry you through heat. I'll do it all over again.
Have you had fun here, Tansy? Yeah, look at that tail. Yeah. You notice she's got her tick collar on right here. Because there are lots of ticks here. So this has been a lot of fun. We have enjoyed our time in visiting Washington, D.C.
And you would think 10 days would be a lot of time.
No. You gotta have multiple days for every museum, pretty much.
We did 2 big bike rides. There's 2 days, and we did
Yeah.
4 times going in.
This park we're staying in, this is Greenbelt Campground.
National
and
park.
It's a
also.
Yeah, it's a national park
Yes.
campground. So for seniors, it's half off. It's only $10 a night, and we're only like 10 minutes from downtown Washington, D.C. So
Well,
it's well, that might be an exaggeration,
10
but
minutes to the subway.
the
then
subway,
Get on the subway, then
yeah,
go
and then
down.
take it. But you can pretty much get anywhere from here, and the subway's just right. It takes longer to get out of the park than it does to drive down to the subway parking lot. So,
That's true.
and you can just walk from here. A family walk over there every day. It's about a 1.5 mile walk. So
We rode it.
yeah. So anyway, but really nice bike trail around here, around the perimeter. We had a lot of fun
Pretty. A
riding
little
around.
challenging, lots of routes
lots
to
of
go
routes,
over.
Little bumpy.
Some marshes to go through.
But it was fun. It was fun just being here. We did not come here with the idea of doing everything. Remember, we're not in vacation mode. We just wanted to see a few different things that we were interested in, because there are, I mean, I was looking at one list that says top 50 things to do. It's like, we ain't doing 50 things. I mean, we've done like 4 or 5 things. And so we've had a lot of fun. Tansy's really enjoyed being able to get out and do everything. The only issue we've had with this particular campground is we're in the shade quite a bit. So we've had to run our generator. But other than that,
and there's a lot of ticks.
if you pick a good site, there are sites that have full sun. So if you are solar and you want the full sun, there are sites. We just didn't get one at the time we were doing our booking. So, but anyway, that completes this video. Thanks for coming along with us, and hopefully you've enjoyed some of the different sites we've kind of highlighted here. And you know, we'll just leave it at that. So hopefully we can see you on our next video. If not, maybe down the road somewhere. We are on this big trip, and we are in search of quirkies.
Quirky!
So you guys all take care.
Bye. Bye, Tansy.